guys, welcome to my channel Med Square. I am Tejaswini, a second year med student from a government medical college in India. So let's dive right in and find out what this channel is really going to be about. To answer your question straight to the point, this is a study vlog of a laid back medical student in India. So the next question, what exactly is a study vlog and is it for medical students only? So to answer that question, no, not exactly. As a student, I've always had the difficulty to actually sit down and start studying. And assuming I actually sat down and started studying, I would end up using my phone or my laptop and not actually studying. So I realized the best solution for this was to have a study buddy, that is study with me sessions, so that you have someone on the other side of the screen having your back, looking at you study, and you can look at them study, so you actually have the drive and the guilt to actually start studying and not waste your time on something else. So that's there. So study with me sessions are a yes. So what is in it for medical students? Like, what is the special thing? Is it only study with me sessions? No, definitely not. So I've actually gone through YouTube and the whole of internet searching for Indian medical student vlogs, and they're very rare to find, and most of them are not complete. So I thought, why not make it myself? So here you are listening to me. Anyways, so here you will be actually following me through a journey of navigating through med school and preparing for all the PG entrances like USMLE, NEET PG next, and AIMS PG and all the other PG exams along with the medical school exams, plus balancing it with fun. I'm not a really study all the time person, so you'll always have the balance there. So that, and apart from study and fun, you will also be having an access to my schedules on how to make proper schedules and not unrealistic schedules. I mean by that, so realistic schedules and up to 3 to 4 hours of study a day and acing your exams with that. So efficient study is my forte, so let's go with that. So since we've actually talked about what I'll be doing, so let's get into the specifics. So I'm a very laid back, chill student, if you can imagine what that is. So it's not like I studied for you got that right. I didn't really study efficiently or perfectly in the first 2 years. I mean, I'm still in my second year technically, but I've completed 2 years not really studying anything properly. So it's going to be from level 0. I'll be starting to study from level 0, covering all subjects. So you will have I will be giving out my schedule for a week and a weekly review and accountability session. So you can actively or passively follow me, or you can just take the idea and the gist of how I plan out my things and you can look it up. And apart from that, for all those laid back students who haven't really started, they can join me and start with me, or you can actually get that drive which I got after reading tons of articles and not wasting so much time like I did. You can simply start after watching my videos. So let's get started. Let's start acing our exams and having fun. So you've listened to it all, so do follow me on my journey, and to do that, please like and subscribe and do watch the other videos, and let's get started from the next video. Bye.